connection of the fuel flow meter, you will receive 3 items, one carrying the meter itself, the other one the connecting cable, and the next one is the pack of screws and nipples for the connection. Good afternoon. So we are here to install the fuel flow meter. So starting by this is the fuel flow meter, the DFM. This is how it is. This is the DFM, the fuel flow meter that you will see in the carton. Then these are the tools that you will use. These are the tools that you will use, that you will see also that comes with it. So the first thing to do is to first connect the tools of the fuel flow meter that comes with it. So this is how it is. Then you do the same thing as well to the other side. So all you need is 18 spanner. 18 spanner to close this. So after doing this is how it's going to look. Okay. This is the second step. This is a tin junction hose. So this is the inflow. This is the inflow that comes from the diesel tank, and this is the outflow that goes to the engine. So what we'll do now is we need to detach this inflow and connect an extra hose, which we will use. So you have to get an extra hose down before you start this process. So I'm detaching the inflow. The direction. You can look at the direction. So this is the inflow. So looking at the direction, this is the inflow. It goes in here, then the outflow, it comes out from here. So okay. In this video, you can see that immediately after we connect the inflow, there is an outflow from the other side. Okay. So without even powering the DFM, it's supposed to be able to pass diesel without even being powered. Okay. So you ensure that it is properly tightened so that there won't be any loose hole. So this this is how it's going to look like. So this is the inflow and this is the outflow. It comes in like this. There's an arrow that shows it. So the arrow shows it that it comes in like this, then it goes out from here. Okay. So then you get your screwdriver and ensure that you fixed everything properly. Ensure that it is well tightened so that there won't be any leakage from the inflow or from the outflow. So that is the first phase. The second phase is by mounting the fuel flow meter to a particular spot. You have to look for a hole in the DG axis and mount the fuel flow meter there.
Using a 13 bolt.
So I'm using a 13 bolt.
Bolt and nut.
Bolt and nut.
To lock it. Mount it firmly to the body, to the floor of the generator.
After completing it, after screwing the nuts, you will see that it's not going to be moving due to in case if the generator is shaking, you can see it's not moving. It's properly mounted. This is the cable that comes with the DFM. It's a 7 core cable. You can see we have blue, white, brown, orange, 2 pink and 1 black. But we are using just 4 cable out of the 7. So we are making use of the blue, the white, the brown and the orange. So the blue is starting from here. The brown is the negative, while the orange is the positive. The white is the RS485A that you will be connecting to the Galooli box back end, and the blue is also RS485B. So these 4 cables that you are seeing, brown, orange, this is how it's supposed to be: negative, positive, A and B. Brown, orange, A, RS485A and RS485B. So
next thing is to run the
next
cable.
thing is to run the cable.
Okay.
To connect the plug. So if you're looking at the plug, there is a way it's supposed to be positioned. You can see it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 teeth, and also at the other side here as well. So you ensure that you are only plugging it in the proper place that it's supposed to be. So you have to position it well before you clip it in. So you ensure that after connecting it, it cannot remove itself by itself, only if you use a flat screwdriver to pin here. that is when you'll be able to remove it back.
You can try and remove it. Let's also see in case anybody needs to.
So you have to pin it at both sides. It's not that easy to.
You need to be sure and careful before connecting it, because removing it is not.
It's not that easy.
It's not easy.
So this is the plug. So this there's a place that does not have any iron inside it. You can see it is empty, and you can also see here as well, it's also empty. So you have to align it so that it can enter directly. Then there's also a clip that would hold it down at each edge. So you have to make sure that it's properly set directly, so you clip it in.
Okay, so this is the end at the Galooli box. It has already been connected. Blue connected to RS485B. This is RS485A connected to white. A positive connected to orange, and negative connected to brown. So this is what is expected. You can use a connector like this, or you can connect directly to the Galooli block. So what it means is the brown goes to the black bar, the orange goes to the red bar, the white goes to the orange bar, and the blue goes to the blue bar. That is how you connect the cable to Galooli. Once this is done, you call Galooli for configuration on power center. Once it is configured, once it is powered, the red light comes on, indicating that it's getting DC power, and it's ready to work. So after configuration from Galooli, whenever generator starts, you will see the CPH reflecting on the Galooli interface, whether it's your mobile or the web app. Okay, so we'll just start the generator now, just for us to do a test and be sure that the flow meter is working and we are capturing the details from Galooli. Let's start the gen. So we can see this installation is new. Has changed to 2.65 liters per hour. 30 kVA generator. Okay, so I guess it's gradually picking load. Right now it's consuming 2.65 liters per hour. Alright. Once you can see the CPH, it means that the installation is okay and configuration is okay. At this point you can sign off.